rigid cycle that would result in a specific narrow rule does not appear, the effects of time do seem to display themselves in price patterns and cycles of varying shapes and lengths. In many cases, the origin or cause of these cycles is unknown. Some analysts attempt to correlate a variety of cycles to either economic events or stock prices, and these apparent relationships range from the plausible to the ludicrous. Researchers have considered sunspots, rainfall in New York City, phases of moon, various planet positions, tilt of Earth, Linux population in Canada, tree rings, and elections, to name only a few of the possible causes. Like the periodicity of Sun and Moon to Stone Age man, the observations are unquestioned, but the reasons are unknown. So far, only coincidental cycles have been found. Cycles for period longer than 4 years. Let us begin by looking cycles occurring over a long period. Over 4 years of time, these cycles include quadratic waves, 34-year historical cycles, and decennial cycles. First, quadratic waves or K waves. Nicholas D. Kondratiev, an economist who lived in communist Russia, studied historical commodity prices in the 1920s. He analyzed European agricultural prices and copper prices from the late 18th century to his time and noticed a periodicity in these prices of approximately 50 years. He then hypothesized that there were long cycles in economic activity in capitalist nations that evolved and self corrected. He was sent to a Siberian concentration camp, presumably for these views, where he died in 1938. Waves are attributes of the world economy led by major national economy. Waves concern output rather than prices. Sector output surges rather than general macroeconomic performance. Waves arrive from bunching of innovations in product, services, technology, methods of production, new markets, new resources of raw materials, and new forms of business organizations. A significant relationship exists between K-wave and rise and fall of world powers. A new K-wave in a new and different location suggests that next location for global leadership. The K-wave grows out of necessity and innovation, and this influences global power and politics as they evolve to accept the new economics.